So in this part, we will understand about functional equations. Okay. So what will happen? We will be giving you some situations. We will never give you the function. Rather, we will give you some situation. And based on situations, you have to respond accordingly. And you have to extract the function from given information. Okay. After finding the function, we will be asking you some question based on that. We can ask you about one function, many one function, onto, into, differentiability, continuity, these kind of situations we can ask you guys. Okay. And this session will be inclined more towards intuitive sense from your side. Okay. Like whatever comes in your mind, just apply, just do it, and let's see magic happens. Okay. So in this part, we will be giving you some important functions which you have to memorize. Okay. So the first one is f of x times f of 1 by x equals f of x plus f of 1 by x. So this thing you have to memorize. Then we have this f of x plus y equals f of x plus f of y, means I will be calling this as sum into sum. So whenever you will see sum into sum, how you have to respond? Sum, product, how will you respond? And then we have two more sets: product, sum, product, product. So in these cases you have to respond. Now the point is, whenever you will witness f of x into f of 1 by x equals f of x plus f of 1 by x, you will say that the function is 1 plus or minus x power n. So based on information, we will derive whether it is 1 plus x power n or 1 minus x power n. Okay. Now in second situation, sum is converted into sum. So you have to say that, sir, it is kx. You have to find out the arbitrary constant k based on the given information. Now sum is converted into product. So in this case, f of x will be a power x. Okay. So this thing you have to memorize at any cost. Now the point is, product is converted into sum. Now do you remember any function in which product is converted into sum? Yes, it's log. So it is k log x, or it is zero function. Okay. Now we have second situation, f of xy equals f of x, f of y, means product is converted into product. So if you will have this situation, you can say that the function is x power n. So you have to memorize these situations. Later we will use this concept to solve some illustrations. Okay.